channel. My name is Kabugo Peter. Whenever I come on this YouTube channel, I always come here to teach you Luganda and give you whatever you need in Luganda. I've been receiving messages in my email when people were asking or telling me to tell them how to say goodbye, in Luganda. There are many ways to say goodbye depending on the situation, depending on the time, depending on the mood, and depending on the person you're talking to. So, and here are some of the phrases and their responses. So, I wanted to teach you how to say goodbye and how to respond. Like if someone is talking to you or saying to you goodbye, how do you respond to that person according to the way he or she is saying that goodbye to you? For example, you can say WEERABA. That is in Luganda. WEERABA. In English, it is goodbye. Goodbye or bye. But the formal way is goodbye. The response is Kale, nawe WEERABA. Kale, nawe WEERABA. Okay, goodbye to you too. Okay, goodbye to you too. We have kangende. Kangende. In English we say, I beg to leave. I beg to leave. Kangende. We can say, the response you say, Kale, tambula bulungi. Kale, tambula bulungi. Okay, travel safely. Kale, tambula bulungi. Okay, travel safely. You can tell someone, like another saying goodbye to somebody is sula bulungi. Good night. This is another way of saying goodbye. Let's say you've been chatting at night and you wanted to leave. Instead of saying kangende or WEERABA, just say sula bulungi. The person will understand that you're saying WEERABA or goodbye. Sula bulungi, which means good night. The response is Kale, nawe sula bulungi. Okay, you too have a good night. Okay, you too have a good night. We can say siiba bulungi. Siiba bulungi. It's another way of saying goodbye. During the time when you wanted to leave the place, you're going to leave that person in that place, you better say siiba bulungi when you are leaving, which means spend the day well. Spend the day well. The response is Kale, nawe siiba bulungi. Kale, nawe siiba bulungi. Okay, you too have a good day. Okay, you too have a good day. We have another one which is beera bulungi. Beera bulungi or sigala bulungi, but it makes sense when you say beera bulungi. In English it is stay well. But when you say sigala bulungi, it is a direct translation. But it is beera bulungi, which is stay well. The response is Kale, nawe genda bulungi. Okay, you too go well. Kale, nawe beera bulungi. Okay, genda bulungi. Okay, you too go well. Tambula bulungi. Tambula bulungi, like the person is going to board a vehicle to leave. You better say tambula bulungi. Or is going to walk, is going to ride, whatever. You better say tambula bulungi. In English, travel well. The response is thank you. You don't tell that person also that travel well because it's going to stay. You better say thank you in Luganda is weebale, or thank you very much in Luganda weebale nnyo. That is for today. My name is Kabugo Peter. Wherever is watching this video, please subscribe and encourage other people to come and subscribe on this YouTube channel. My name is Kabugo Peter. please and please hit that subscribe button and we get more numbers here. Ciao, ciao.